explain how Ishraf can get that static electricity, let me introduce to you first what is static electricity is all about. Static electricity is built up of charge on insulating materials, and it can cause sparks when discharged. As we know that all materials contain charge, which is positive protons and negative electrons. And we know that protons and electrons will attract. Therefore, they will cancel each other out. That's why all materials are neutral. Conductors like metal and salt water tend to have loosely bound outer electrons which can easily flow between molecules. However, insulators like rubber, plastic, and glass have tightly bound electrons that won't readily jump to other atoms. When Ishraf walks across a carpet, electrons from his body will rub off onto it, and the electrons from his body will jump into the carpet. Now, his body is positively charged. And when he reached to touch the doorknob, zap! The metal of doorknob's loosely bound electrons hop to his hand to replace the electrons that lost from his body. Only electrons can easily transfer to another atoms, while protons will stay on that object. Now, how can we prevent from static electricity? One of the ways is just touch the metal water tap. The excess electrons will transfer from your finger to the tap until the negatively charged on your shirt balance the positive charge. How can this happen? Well, the pipe which the tap is attached runs deep into the ground. This connects to the earth, which is neutral in charge. Do you understand, Ishraf? If you have more questions about nature, please let me know.